Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 8th CBSE Maths Factorization exercise 14.1. In that first question, third and fourth subdivision we are going to see in this video. Let's see the question. Find the common factors of the given terms. Here we are going to find the common factors for these two terms. Let me write the first term. Common factors means we need to do factorization, that is we are going to factorize the given terms. So 14, I am going to take 14 first. We know that it goes in two tables. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 goes in two tables. So 2 7s are, again 7 is a prime number, further it can't solve. So I am leaving it. Here it becomes 2 into 7 into P into Q. For 28, P square, Q square, the same way for 28 also. We know that the unit digit is 8, so it goes in two tables. So 2, 14, 2, 7. Now it is 2 into 2, then 7. For P square, it is P into P is P square. So there are 2 P in it, there are 2 Q in it. I will also teach one easy method for you. First I will let you know this is the factorized form of the given terms. Now round off the common numbers. Here we have 7 and 7, we have P and P, then we have Q and Q. So I have rounded all the common numbers. Now the common factors are, always take the term from a single term, that is from this we need to take it, or from this any one we can take it, and only one. It is 2 into 7 into P into Q, that is nothing but 7 2s are 14 PQ. Okay, this is for numbers. Numbers we know that we are rounding off, and if there is a huge number, if it is P power 5 or Q power 10 means we can't write P into P into P into P, same way we can't write Q into Q into Q. For that reason I'll teach you one easy method. Here you can see PP in both the forms. The common factors will be the least power. Here the power is 1, here the power is 2, means the common factor will be least power, so the power will be 1. The same way for Q, power is 1 and 2, so the least power is 1, so we need to write 1. So for the numbers, just put a round. For the variables, write the least power. Take the common variable, write the least powers. Now let us see the next question. 2x, 3x square, 4. I am going to take only the number. Taking 2, it becomes 2 into 1. Taking 3, it is 3 into 1. Taking 4, we know that 2 into 2. So if I see a common number, there is no, I can see 2 here, but there is no 2 in 3. So I can't take any number. It should be common to all the 3. It is not common. So if there is no common number, remember that we need to write 1, because everything is multiplied with 1. So 1 will be common. If you have not written 1, don't worry. Just write the common element will be, the common factor will be 1. If there is no similar thing, write 1. Even if you have x here, there is no x here, so we can't write it here. So your common factor will be 1. That's all with the sum. Thank you.